Hello and welcome to my channel. So finally, everything is ready to go in my apartment. So I'm gonna give you an apartment tour. I've been meaning to, but oh my god, for the longest time, I didn't have a bed or I didn't have sofas because I've been changing a lot of things. Like, I'll look at them and I'm like, no, yes, I don't know. So I figured I would just like stop right here and just show you guys my place. Before we get started, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I will be more active now on YouTube because I have a lot of free time, so I'm gonna make myself useful. All right, and we're gonna start with the living room. So these are my sofas, and once again, I got gray sofas. Like, I've been changing sofas, but they've always been gray. I really like this one. This one was super comfortable, and you can just push this back. Let me show you. And it's like a big bed, and it's so nice now that it's fall, winter time. You can just sit down, watch TV, and just feels like a bed. It's nice and cozy. This is one of the paintings that I did for this place. I figured that it matched with the colors and everything. My brother gave me that snake plant, and I love it. It's like one of the best plants that you can get because it's so easy to maintain. Like, I haven't watered it in like weeks because we left to Oceanside. And look at how beautiful it is. Anyway, so I talked about this painting on a previous video where I was cooking some salad. Also, if you enjoy my cooking videos, let me know and I can make more of those. Here is a close-up of the snake plant that I just believe everybody should have. I do want to change that. I want to get like a dresser where I have a lot of drawers so I can just store a lot of things. I'm thinking that that looks just too small for the place. Oh, and I had a little rack to hang stuff when you would come in and put your shoes at, but I took it to my bedroom because I really needed it there. So for now, this will do. This will change though. I don't know to what. I am trying to get rid of the lamp. I just don't want to throw it away because it still works. Alrighty, and then back here we have our dining room. It's rather small. It's right in front of this window. It's also our exit to the patio. But hey, it's a 6-chair dining set and I feel like it does fit. I also had my brother taking care of some of the plants for me and he gave them back with fish. These are guppy fish and they're so cute. Sometimes I do forget to feed them the whoops. So these are the curtains that I was trying to hang the other day that I hurt myself in. If you see the other video, you will see that there too. I just got this plant. It was already like this. So I do feel like I am being good to it, but you never know. I do want to maybe move it to my bedroom because I feel like it's going to be in a better place. My favorite part of the house is the kitchen. I love it. So it was just a kitchen. It didn't have a little island, but I was able to get like this high top table at IKEA, and it is just so nice. I will do a video towards the end of all the things that I've been getting, and I'll see if I can link them on the description just in case you really like it and you would like some for yourself as well. We are going into fall. I think it's November 4th already. Yeah, it's November 4th. And so I already brought out all of my fall decor. That's looking a little cluttered right now. These are some leftover candies that I have from Halloween. But yeah, this is my kitchen. And more pumpkins. I have my Lazy Susan here that I really like. I have some oils. This is regular olive oil and this is extra virgin olive oil. I guess this one's for cooking and this one's like for salads and things like that. My brother made this for me. This is like a ceramic little bowl that I just thought would look cute here. Salt and pepper and some spoons and whatnot, spatulas. The cupboards are nice and new. I tried to do this one as like my coffee and tea place. My sissy gave me this. And then I have a rather large microwave, which is really nice. I love it. Favorite place. Then we have my spice rack. I thought these were a lot. I think it's 16, and I actually need more. Like, they're already filled with stuff, and I feel like I have more spices that I need to put on display. But I really like this too. I also got it on Amazon, and I'm also going to try to link it. The fridge back here, and then this is the other cabinet that I was waiting for them to install, and they barely installed. Then back here we have the bathroom, and I think I've already showed you the bathroom. This was like one of the first things that was good and ready to go, which was nice. But as you can see, there's really like nothing going on. It's just very simple. I have a few things there. I got a couple of plants just to liven up the place. This is a Monstera, and it's a rather young plant because you can see not all the leaves have the little holes that they're supposed to have. This is the shower back here. And last but not least, my bedroom. As you can see, I also like to dress up my bedroom with all the fall colors and whatnot. So this is our dresser, and then back here, this is where I do my makeup and my desk, and it is a little bit of a mess, so let's just... This rack is actually the one that I got for the entry place where we could just throw our shoes in there and whatnot, but I thought it looked really cute in here, and honestly, I'm just using it as an excuse because I have a lot of clothes and I just needed more space to throw more things on. Whoopsie. I've also been meaning to find a nice painting or something to hang on this wall here. I want something like with nature and things like that. I'm kind of like implementing the feng shui into this new place, so I do want it to be something like with mountains or water or something like that. This is the closet, and it's nice and spacious in there. This is my babe's side, and I did give him a little box so he could just throw all his stuff in there, and it could look nice and organized and free of clutter, I guess. My side is a little more cluttered because I don't have a box that's that deep. My box is like that big, so I can't fit a lot of my stuff. This is my lotion that I use for my hands. This is one of the things that TikTok made me buy, and it had a lot of good reviews from dermatologists and whatnot. It killed my skin. I couldn't use it for the love of God. I broke out really, really bad, and it was awful. I stuck with it because it was so good for like 4 months, and I just had terrible skin. I think I'm still recovering. You see a lot of scars that were left. I'm not gonna throw it away though. I'm using it for my hands, but I don't know. Did anybody feel like this didn't work for them? Because I feel like a lot of people use it. And then of course, my cranberry pills. I feel like every woman on earth should drink cranberry pills. These are great. They support urinary health. And this is the brand Nature's Bounty. You only want to use this brand. I tried other brands when I can't find this one, but they don't work the same. So these are A+. I was thinking of bringing my Philly fig tree back here somewhere because of all the natural light that just comes in. Also, this natural light just really helps with my videos. Like, you can see everything like super clear. Oh my god, it's great. All right, this is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed the video. Give it a thumbs up. Remember to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.